Okay, final. We're going to do an exploded video, so we're going to tweak these components. So I'm going to make a new, and I'm looking for the metric. This time I want the IPN. There it is. Create. And I'm going to make sure that I'm getting this assembled and place it there. And I'm going to tweak my components. So what I want to do, and if I'm looking at it, I can see that it needs to move on the x-axis. Tweak. So we want it to come out. No, out. I was trying to pan. So I want them all to come out, all right? So I'm just tweaking those out. So I'm going to tweak my components. Come here. Should be able to hold the shift key and select them all at once. And then once they're selected, I know it needs to go on the Z. Oh, darn it. Be careful that you only get the components you're looking for. So I want this one and this one. Okay, and then we should be able to tweak them up. On the Z, and it's moving the whole thing. Tweak the component. Scribing it all again. Okay. Well, sometimes that doesn't want to work. Let's try tweaking component a different way. And I want it to go according to that one on the Y. So see what I did is I pulled that one down. And actually I think what I'll do, on the Z, yeah. What that dang dumb doodly do? Okay, I'll just move the whole thing down. And I will tweak on the Y. Down. Okay. And those would be on the Z, yeah, until I have my exploded view. So here's all my different parts. They've been exploded. Let's do an animation, and let's play. Okay, fine. All right, excellent. So we know that that works. So I hit my record button. Make sure it's going to the it's going to my inventor. So if you're not sure, you can go my computer, because you want to make sure it's going to the right place. U drive, inventor, block assembly, and I'm just going to call it explosion. Yeah, let's change. Let's just try different ones and see which way it works. Sometimes you don't know till you try. And play. Little box is pointing in the corner, which tells me that it's doing the running of the animation. And I now have a video that if I go look in my computer, my drive, I now have an explosion video that I can look at. And so what you're going to do is you're going to submit your finished block assembly. So you make that IDW with your early dimensions, and then you're also going to make this explosion, and you're going to submit the explosion to Moodle for grading. Congratulations, you have completed the block assembly.